I've been living in Makara for my entire life. I was born and bred on these hills. My dad was initially servicing the traps for Capital Kiwi, and then he ended up having to leave the area, and so 2 years ago I began taking them on, and I've been doing them ever since. I use an UBCO 2X2, which is an electric motorcycle. It's amazing for checking the traps. I do the gun emplacements, Makara Road, Ahario Valley, Takarawa Gorge and South Makara Road. There's spots there where it will be impossible to check them on a car because you're just between the cliff face and a river. There's nowhere to stop.